So you're scrolling on Amazon looking for a product to buy. You find a product that has thousands of reviews and one that has zero. Which would you buy? Amazon suggests that 7 out of 10 customers will not purchase a product if it doesn't have reviews. I think it's more like 10 out of 10. If you're looking to get reviews on your Amazon products, if you're struggling with this is the video for you. I'm gonna tell you 3 things that you can do right now that can help you increase your reviews. Of course, all compliant to Amazon's terms of service. So let's get started. Now you know the mission of today's video. These are the 3 things that we're gonna be talking about. Let's get started with offline reviews. This is one of the easiest ways for you to get started with getting reviews on your Amazon product page. The concept of offline reviews is that Amazon knows that you might be selling your product on your own website or on Instagram or on other platforms or even in retail, and you have customers that have bought this product before. You can ask them to review your product, but on the Amazon page, without them having purchased the product on Amazon. Now, you always need to be careful as to how you ask customers for a review. Number 1, I would suggest to reach out to them, specifically to your loyal customer base. Number 2, ask something like this. Make sure you never ask for a 5-star review. Always ask for an honest review and honest feedback. Your loyal customers, number 1, will be really excited that your product's right now on Amazon and will probably also be really excited that you ask them to leave you a review. All they really need to do is to log into your Amazon product page, scroll down to the review section, click on Write a Customer Review, and they can leave their review. Simple, right? Before we dive into number 2 and number 3, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal. I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We're a certified Amazon service provider, and we help and support sellers on Amazon in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you're looking for help and support, we would love to work with you. Reach out to our team on the website you see right here. You'll find all of the links in the description box of this video. By the way, you'll also find in the description box free downloadable PDFs with some secrets. One would be with secrets about succeeding on Amazon. The other would be differences between Amazon FBA and FBM. Lots of different things, lots of different free resources. Make sure that you check them out. Number 2, automation. We live in an automation decade. So if you can automate requesting reviews from your customers, that would reduce down a lot of manual work. Now, hold on. Amazon already sends out emails to your customers who have purchased a product and asks them for a review. But there's no harm in you also adding an automation tool that can automate that for you. I would suggest a lot of tools, but one of the tools that I really like is Feedback Whiz. You can also do your own research and find other tools where you can set it up and it would send an email which is approved by Amazon to your customers 5 days after they have purchased the product and asks them to leave a review. Why does this work? Well, it's consistent and scalable. There's nothing manual about it. You just set it up once and you forget it, and it keeps working on its own. Even if it gets you just 1 review a month, that's 1 review that you were able to get through an automation. And number 3, probably the most complicated and probably a little bit difficult if you are already selling on Amazon, insert cards and thank you cards. I've spoken about this on the channel multiple times. This is one of my favorite ways to kind of connect with customers that purchase products. Insert cards and thank you cards are totally approved by Amazon as long as you follow Amazon's guidelines. Very much like what we talked about in the very first point, you should never ask a customer to leave you a 5-star review. It's always where you need to try to build some sort of rapport with the customer so that they get out, so that they feel that they need to leave you a review, and ask them to leave their honest feedback. So an insert card or a thank you card, just to keep it simple, can be like a small note that you add inside of each and every product. Once a customer gets the product, they open it, they get that card. Sometimes you can add a thank you note, such as thank you for your purchase, but then this is an example of what the text should look like. It should ask them for their honest review. Maybe also add the fact that it helps grow your business so that there's some sort of convincing for someone to leave a review. Again, make sure that you never just ask for a 5-star review. Ask them for their honest feedback. You can also add a QR code which takes people directly to the review page, or you can add a link. Bonus tip. If you're adding a link or a QR code, make sure that you test them out before you print them on your cards so that you can ensure that they work and there's no mistakes. So here's a quick recap. Here are the 3 things that you can do right now in order to increase your reviews. Yes, reviews are always going to be a difficult and tough thing to get on Amazon, but it's still possible. Let me know what you think about all of this. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.